Hello and welcome to Garden Glow, your space for everything cozy and green. Today we will be gently stepping into the garden trends of 2025, particularly for small, calm spaces. Let's start with what is in this year. Vertical gardens. A great way to add vegetation with very little ground impact. Soft, low-profile furniture for sitting and relaxing. They let you lean back to feel calm. Warm solar lighting, soft glows that transform evenings to calm escapes. Native plants, low-maintenance, earth-friendly plants. And what is slowly fading out? Bulky patio furniture sets, thirsty lawns and plastic decor are being replaced with thoughtful, low-impact alternatives. This year is about the personal, peaceful space you have, no matter the size. So just breathe and envision the possibilities in your little green space. If you have received a little inspiration here, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and remember to subscribe to Garden Glow for more calm and cozy garden inspirations. We will see you next time.